how many times has it happened that you walk into a new restaurant and you see these really cool finishes and you wondered why you don't have it for your home? So now at DesignCafe, we are broadening your options for finishes. Have a look at this really cool 3D waveboard panel that we've used. It can go onto your shutter or as panel for your storage areas. And for the bottom units, we've used this really beautiful laminate all the way from Europe, and it's totally trending. So here, right below the sink, we've given a complete metallic finish and a pull-out waste bin. So here at DesignCafe, we are also on the constant lookout for the latest waste management systems. So if you have a home that generates a lot more waste, then we suggest you a larger dustbin pull-out. So instead of normal skirting, we also give this really cool option of skirting drawers. This can take care of your basic storage needs for your cleaning agents and equipments. But if you still need more, then we have this really cool unit as janitor's closet that can go into your utility.